Today we're going to do a sunflower. Yay! We're going to start out in the middle. We're going to create a circle for the circle of the very center of our sunflower. Okay, and then we're going to start at the top up here, and we're going to pull down and around, and then we're going to turn our page and do it again. And that was a skinny one, but that's all right. Then we'll turn our page again. We're going to do another one. Turn a page again. And we're going to go all the way around this circle to create this sunflower. Now remember, if I go too fast, you can turn off the video. Okay, now we're going to put another layer of petals on the outside. Just like that. Feel free to move your paper around if you draw better by pulling down. I know when I draw better when I'm pulling down on my pen or pencil. So that's why I'm spinning my paper around. Like that. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a stem for it. It doesn't just a plain old 2 lines that go straight down. And then the next thing is we're going to put a couple of leaves on the stem. Now these leaves, they have like little stems themselves, and then they go out, kind of like an S. And then you pull it back down, and that's what the leaf looks like. Maybe it has, you know what leaves look like, right? So then we're going to put another little stem here, and we're going to pull. We could start out here, because I like to pull down. So I'm going to start out here and curve around, and then curve back up, and there's another leaf. And I'm going to put the center of the leaf in there, just like that. So in this sunflower, when we color it, I'm going to test my markers over here and find the right marker. I want the leaves on the top to be lighter than the ones that are behind. You know what? We should have another... I missed something. I missed another. There you go. And maybe I'll do one there too. Anyway, that's how they look. They're layered. Okay, so I'm testing to make sure that I have the right color marker. I want the lighter markers to be on this, on the leaves on the outside. I'm looking at that marker going, is that the color I want? I mean, if all of the leaves aren't exactly the same, it's okay. But it's kind of like a lemon yellow. I want it, yeah, this is the one I want. It's lighter because the ones that are hitting, the leaves that are hitting the sun first are the ones that are in front of these are in front and these are in back. So we want to make sure that these are brighter, because the sun is hitting them. We're going to make the ones in the back a little bit darker. Here we go here. Let's see. Just like that. And so if you have Crayola brand, you want to get like a really bright color I just happen to be using these other markers. I don't even know what they're called. I don't know, I just found some. But if you're using Crayola brown, you want to use these bright yellow ones for the first layer. Okay, for the second layer, we want to do something a little darker. So I don't really know. I'm trying to figure out which one I want to use. I have a scratch piece of paper over here, and I always test. Ooh, so like that's a lot darker. I always test my markers before I put them on my page, and I'm going to just color the back of it. It's not exactly the color. It's more brown than yellow. Yellow. Maybe I'll use this one. Almost like a yellow orange. Oh yeah, that one works. Like a yellow orange. And you can overlap a little bit if you want to put a little bit of yellow orange on the petals that are bright yellow. Into your other leaves here, you could do that around the edges. So remember that each petal is not completely flat. So I'm adding a little bit of the orange to the outside of the petals or part of the petals, so then you can see that a flower petal is not completely flat. This marker is running out of ink already. Don't run out of ink until I finish my picture, please. Oh my word, please don't. If you love what you see, hit the button below, subscribe today. All right, look at that. So then we're going to do the stem, and I'm just going to grab a Crayola brand marker and color the stem. And what I like doing with my markers, I don't know if this is a different color, is to put a little bit of shadow or a little bit of, to show that it has a little bit of shadow on it, like that. And the leaves, don't have to be the same color. Wow, this is, let's see, what color is this one? There you go. Leaves don't have to be the same color, but okay, so now we got to do the center. And the center a lot of times can have yellow in it. So I'm going to put yellow in the center, but it also has other colors. It can have like dark purple and red and all kinds of stuff. So I'm just going to start putting dots in here. We're going to start dotting different colors in the center. And we're going to fill in the center with all these different colors of markers. Like, sometimes the center has like a maroon. They're really dark. So I have this maroon are brown. Sometimes they have brown in the center. And there's these little wee dots, and this is where all the seeds are. So have like a brown. Ooh, that's almost the same color. Okay, well that didn't. Let's find something different. I need like a light brown. Maybe this is, I have a Crayola brand. That's a lighter brand. Put some of the background. Ooh, that's like really orange. That's not really what I was looking for. Maybe this. Oh, that worked. Okay. Let's see, I need more dots. I'm going to do the big one. You're going to add color to the background with a lighter yellow to fill in, and if you want to add some more dots, go for it. It's your picture. Do whatever you want. I still think we need more maroon in this. Looky there.